Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable the Spotlight keyboard shortcut on your Mac. By default, every time you press Command plus space, Spotlight Search pops up. If that's getting in your way, here's how to turn it off. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's get into it. First, click on the Apple icon at the top left of your screen, then select System Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down on the left side and click on Keyboard. Now, in the middle of the page, choose Keyboard Shortcuts. On the left-hand menu, find Spotlight and click on it. Here, you'll see the option for Show Spotlight Search. Simply uncheck the box to disable it. If you'd prefer to keep it but change the shortcut, you can click on the key combination and assign a new one. Once you're done, hit Done at the bottom. Now, if you press Command plus space, Spotlight won't pop up anymore. That's it. I hope this quick tutorial helped. If it did, drop a like, leave a comment if you still have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.